area of India is 2.4% of total area of the world, but its population 17 of the world population. Total area 17.78. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through the which of the state? उड़ीसा, गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम से पास होता है. एक्सपेंशन ऑफ इंडिया बिटवीन इंडिया इज बिटवीन एक्सपेंशन 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट नॉर्थ से 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड और 68 डिग्री से 7 ईस्ट 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर मिडल ऑफ इंडिया विच लोकेटेड इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. आइजोल नॉर्थ ऑफ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर में. भोपाल और रांची झारखंड लोकेटेड साउथ ऑफ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. IST इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम रिमेन हाउ मच अहेड ऑफ ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन. 5 घंटा 5 आवर 30 मिनट 82 पॉइंट ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टेकन एट 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट. डिफरेंस बिटवीन IST और ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन 5 घंटा 30 मिनट. On which plateau do the Tropic of Cancer and the Indian Standard Timeline intersect each other. Bagelkhand. Bordering country India China called McMahon Line. State common border with Myanmar, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Longest border with India, Bangladesh. असम, वेस्ट बंगाल, मिजोरम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा. ये सब बॉर्डर बांग्लादेश से. कॉमन बॉर्डर ऑफ पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश. जम्मू कश्मीर, लद्दाख, पंजाब, राजस्थान, गुजरात पाकिस्तान से. बांग्लादेश से असम, वेस्ट बंगाल, मिजोरम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा. तो कोई भी बॉर्डर जो दोनों से नहीं है. फिजिकल डिवीजन. ग्रेट हिमालय आर नोन एज देयर कंटिन्यूटी. लेसर हिमालय देयर ब्रेथ एंड ट्रांसवर्स वैली. और Shivalik are the outer Himalaya and are the most recent in origin. Lesser Himalaya breath के लिए नहीं. Great Himalaya continuity from west to east. Shivalik outer Himalaya are the recent. Structurally, the Meghalaya Plateau is an extended part of Deccan Plateau. Valley of Kashmir was formed in Synclinorium. The Gangetic Plain was formed in a foredip. The Himalaya originated as a result triangular convergence of the Indian plate, the European plate and the Chinese plate. ये तीनों सही है, ये नहीं है. फोर्ड वाला Himalaya originated due to the collision of Indian plate and Eurasian plate, not due to triangular convergence. As per geographical area, arrange the following. Physiographic unit of India is in ascending order. पहले कोस्टल प्लेन, फिर सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स, फिर ग्रेट प्लेन्स, फिर नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स. Indian subcontinent was originally a part of which of the following in the east? Gondwana land. Southern Peninsula Highlight is a part of Gondwana land. Northern mountain region. Foothills region of Himalaya is Shivalik. Arrange the range from north to south in sequence. B. Karakoram, Ladakh, Jalskar, Punjab. Shivalik series was found Quinozoic. Someshwar range is a part of the following mountain range. Shivalik. Share of mountain in India's total land area is 30%. Eastern end of the Greater Himalaya, that is Himadri, is Namcha Badwa. Atal tunnel across which of the following Himalaya range? Eastern Pir Panjal. What is the length of Atal tunnel, Rohtang, Himachal Pradesh? 9.02 km. Zojila tunnel will connect with the following: Srinagar and Leh. Mountain range and hills of south. Mountain range divided the Ganga plain and the Deccan plateau. Vindhyan range. Hills situated closer Kanyakumari are Cardamom Hills. Annamalai, Cardamom Hills and Palani Hills meet at Anaimudi. At which of the following hills Eastern Ghat and join Western Ghat Nilgiri? Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat meet Nilgiri. Indian oceanographers discovered high mountain with height 1505 meter at the bottom of Arabian Sea, about 455 km southwest area Bombay. The mountain is called Raman Sagar Mountain. Western Ghat in Maharashtra and Karnataka is known as Sahyadri mountain place. Highest mountain peak in India is K2 Godwin Austen. India's highest mountain range is called K2. Which of the following peaks of the Himalayan mountain are not in the Dhaulagiri? Dhaulagiri, Nepal में नंगा पर्वत. India's Pakistan occupied area in Jaskar range. Bill Kamet located in Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. Bachendri Pal is well known name in the following field: mountaineering. The second Indian woman to climb Mount Everest was Santosh Yadav. Snow line in Himalayas lies between 4300 से 6000 मीटर in east. Longest glacier of Himalayan mountain Batura. काराकोरम रेंज में पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान में. लोएस्ट स्नो लाइन अल्प्स रीजन में लोएस्ट स्नो लाइन. एवरेज हाइट ऑफ द स्नो लाइन इन उत्तर प्रदेश. Altitude above which snow remains permanently throughout the year at a particular place is called snow line altitude. After separation of Uttarakhand, there is no snow line in Uttar Pradesh. State of India in the Likhapani glacier located. Arunachal Pradesh, Likhapani glacier located. Extra peninsular mountain of India were formed during Cenozoic era. Dandakarnyan region lies in state of central part of India. It is mainly across Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Small part of Dandakarani falls in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Not part of Meghalaya Plateau. Bhuban Hills, Garo Khasi Jaintia तो है. Malnar region is related to which of the following plateau? Karnataka Plateau. Coastal line of India is 7516.6 km. According to recent estimate 11098.81 km. India's territorial limit extended towards the sea up to how many nautical miles from the coast? 12 nautical miles. 12 nautical miles 21.9 km है. Lakshadweep Island are situated in south west India. Lakshadweep consists में how many island? 36. The northernmost Chetlat, southernmost Minicoy, separated from remaining 90 degree. Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Island group of Lakshadweep is accumulation of coral reef. Coral reef are not found in which of the following region? Gulf of Cambay. State or which district Uttarakhand is not situated along Tibet boundary? Almora. 3 district Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh, Chamoli और उत्तरकाशी share a border with Tibet. Pithoragarh और Champavat और Udham Singh Nagar share border with Nepal. Pithoragarh shared with Nepal or Tibet both. Which state longest boundary with Madhya Pradesh? Uttar Pradesh. Vidarbha is a regional name in India. It is part of Maharashtra. The Pat region is located in Jharkhand. Jhumri Talaiya is located in which state? Kodarma, Jharkhand. The new name of Madras is Chennai. Rameswaram is a part of which state? Tamil Nadu. As per the area, what is the correct descending order of a state? Madhya Pradesh, उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, बिहार। मध्य प्रदेश के सब इतना उत्तर प्रदेश का